Definition of phrase. A group of two or more words that expresses a single idea but do not form a complete sentence is called a phrase. Apple. A big red sweet apple. Mango. A yellow tasty juicy mango. Old man. A fat clever nice old man. Umbrella. A black big clean umbrella. Parrot. A green little clever parrot. Nose. A small nice beautiful nose. Stone. A black hard stone. Lion. A strong beautiful lion. Tree. A tall green strong tree. Fish. A golden bright beautiful fish. Rabbit. A white soft nice rabbit. Star. A bright shiny big star. Biscuit. A round crunchy tasty biscuit. Rose. A red beautiful small rose. Mouse. A small black clever mouse. Van. A new big yellow van. Socks. A colorful small nice socks. Pillow. A soft pink clean pillow. Orange. A juicy tasty ripe orange. House. A big beautiful nice house. Ice. A cold hard ice cube. Ribbon. A red shiny new ribbon. Cup. A small nice blue cup. Elephant. A big strong elephant. Book. A new wonderful red book. Wafers. A tasty crunchy nice wafers. Water. A cold clean water. Chalks. A colorful soft chalks. Room. A big clean beautiful room. Boy. A young handsome boy. Sky. A big cloudy beautiful sky. Bag. A yellow heavy new bag. Ball. A round red cricket ball. Butterfly. A beautiful bright butterfly. Thanks.